Yorubulin yung sa'yo. So guys, aral na naman tayo. So ito ay vocabulary for transportation guys. So isa din sa mga minimorize ko dati no ako mag-exam. So memorize lang guys at least 10 to 20 vocabs every day. Oo, so number 1, bus, puso. Number 2, taxi, tiksi. Number 3, subway, chachul, chunchol. Number 4, line number, huson. Number 5, train, kitcha, yulcha. Number 6, airplane, pihinge. Number 7, ship, pe. Number 8, car, chadungcha. Number 9, passenger car, sungyungcha. Number 10, motorcycle, utupay. Number 11, bicycle, chachungo. Number 12, tractor, turekto. Number 13, cultivator, kyungunge. So, ayun guys.